Do you want to make your own website and application like OnlyFans where people can make a profile and people who are interested to see those profile, they will need to pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee to see those photos like this, where people can see other people picture but cannot see until they subscribe. So let me show you the latest application and website created by Ronix like OnlyFans. So once I follow this profile, I can see all the free photos. But now what if this profile has some paid photos? So let me upload a new content. So this is the profile, and let me show you how a new post can be uploaded. I click on new post, I upload a picture, and I set the prices of this picture as paid. So I set the prices as paid 20. If I keep the prices at 0, then it will be free to watch by anybody. But if I want to set the price by $20, so I've just set the price, and now I'll go as a user and I'll check, can I see this photo or not? You can see I cannot see this photo until I pay for this photo. So this is how the OnlyFans business model works. Now a customer can pay by his wallet or a Stripe or card payment. All the payment gateways are available, and once he pays, then he can automatically see this photo. So that's how a customer can pay, and he can see the paid content section in your website and application. And now let's see how you can see all the subscription, all the people that has subscribed you. So let us go to our profile and let us go to our plans. So you can see you have an option of paid profile or free profile also. That your whole profile is paid. So if somebody wants to come to your profile and see anything like this, they need to subscribe for 1 month, 3 month, 6 month plan. And once they subscribe, they can see all your content. And that is how this works, the OnlyFans business model. If you want to make your own website and application like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. So the team can help you and make your website and app. And that is how a customer can subscribe the whole profile for a limited timeline. Let's say they subscribe for 30 days. Then after 30 days, their access to that profile will automatically remove. They need to again subscribe. So it is like a monthly subscription or a 6 month subscription or a yearly subscription people can take to access to profiles that they want to check out. So and that is how you can see. Now I can see all the photos of this profile once I subscribe. You can also send a tip, extra earning source available, and you can send a tip to your favorite content creator. This is a very good website where people want to put a content but want to take some payment for their content like YouTube Premium and much more. And if you want to make your own website and application like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you and make your complete website and app. You can see, you can message the content creators like this. Once you message, the creator will get that message and then they will reply you and you both can have a chat. The feature is already available in our application like OnlyFans. Now let's go to our message section and check. And yeah, that is how you can see the messages. You can see all the notification. You can see all the messages notification. You can see all the likes notification, subscription notification, tips notification. You can see who has subscribed you, what payment they have done, and you can also cancel the subscription if you want to. In your profile, you can basically upload your photo, your description, your gender, and much more. You can also apply for a blue tick if you want a verified profile. Remember, the admin will verify it when he thinks that your profile is correct. You can also see your profile is free or paid. You can set a monthly fee, 3 month fee, 6 month fee, yearly fee, and you can also set that this price is offered till which date. So if you want to make your paid content website and application like OnlyFans, then you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, so our team can help you the best. This is a complete content creation website where people can upload free photos and paid content also. This website is made on PHP Laravel. If you want to make a complete website and application like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. That is how people can chat with another person. That is how you can send a message to somebody, and you can also set a price of message that if you want to chat with me, pay this much. So this is also available in the system. You can see all the other profiles. I have not subscribed to that profile, that's why I cannot see the content of that profile. You can see all the settings like control your profile and much more. You can see multiple languages like English, Russian, Spanish, any language we can use in our website and application. You can also bookmark. So let's say if you want to like a particular content, you want to bookmark it and you want to check it later on, then you can easily do that. Making your own website like OnlyFans is now easy. For more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen, or you can visit ronix.com so our team can help you. And that is how the bookmark shows. You can also see a post where people are taking opinion, like yes or no, something like that. You can put a poll like this. You can see your likes and much more. You can see messages and you can see your profile. And that is how our website and application like OnlyFans. So this is the settings of the system. You can basically see all the settings like the name of the website and much more. If you want to know more about the system, if you want to make an application like this, then you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. So our team can make a complete website and application like OnlyFans. You can see the default profile is paid or free, the profile is public or not. Do you want to enable people to upload post or not? Do you want them to add their gender or not? We have a feature of QR code also, that if somebody wants to see another person profile, they can just directly scan the QR code. So that feature is also available. Let me show you how this feature works. So if I go back to my website and I click on any profile that I want to check out, so you can see there's a section now available of QR code. And that is how you can see the QR code feature. If somebody wants to see your profile, they can directly scan this QR code and they will be redirected to your profile directly. That is how the QR code feature works in our website and application like OnlyFans. You can see the feed feature. You can see that people can zoom on the photo or not. People can do scheduling or not, and much more. Scheduling means they want the post to automatically be sent on a particular time. Let's say you are uploading a photo now, but you want that it should upload at tomorrow 6 p.m. So that is scheduling, available in our latest website and application like OnlyFans. Apply any watermark of your website images. You can set that the website is age verified or not. You can also set the website is age verified or not. Let's say you want to make the complete website for 18 plus only. You can do that. So now if you want to make your website like OnlyFans is now easy. For more, kindly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next video. Ronix Making World Online.